Hi everyone, my name is Michael Asare, and in this tutorial we are going to look at our dashboard. We will take a tour of our dashboard. In the previous one we looked at how to log in to our Moodle website, how to reset our password and update our profiles. But for this tutorial we'll be looking at our dashboard. So let's get to it. I'm going to log in. Always remember your password is case sensitive. Okay, so after entering your login details, you will be presented with this interface, which is your dashboard. So today's tutorial will be centered on this interface, our dashboard. So when you come here, what you see on the left are menu items. So you have your dashboard, your site home. So this is our dashboard, what we are seeing currently. We have site home, calendar, private files, content bank, instructor, etc. Okay, so this is how it works. When you click on site home, it takes you to the main homepage of your website. When you click on calendar, you get to see calendar of events. If you have any outstanding activities, you would see that on your calendar. And when you go to private files, you can see any private file you have uploaded, or you can also upload a private file. And content bank will also show you content you have uploaded. And you have instructor, and any other course would also show on the left side of your dashboard or of your screen. Now let's go back to dashboard, and then in the middle you can see recently accessed courses. When you go down a little, you can see all the courses you are enrolled in, either as a teacher or as a student. So you get to view all courses or courses in progress, courses you are currently teaching or taking as a student. You can also see courses that you will be taking in the future. If there is any course that you are yet to teach, it will show under future. If there is any course you've taught in the past, that will show under past. And you also have starred, then removed from view. Okay, the same way you can also sort your courses by name or last accessed, the last time you accessed it. So if you click on name, it will sort by name for you, or the last time you accessed the course. You can also list them based on these parameters. So you can have card, list them as cards. You can list them as just using names, and then you can also have a summary, which is in the form of icons. So these are ways in which you can list your courses, right? And then on the right side, you also have timeline where you see upcoming activities, ongoing activities. You also have a section for private files. You can see online users. If you have any badge, it will also show under latest badges. And of course, your calendar and upcoming events will also show down there. So basically, this is all you need to know about your dashboard. Okay, you can always customize the page. If you don't want how it looks like, you can just click on this and then arrange it the way you want it. In the case where you have tampered with the arrangement and you are struggling to find a particular item, you can always click on reset page to default. Okay, to reset it so that you can find whatever you are looking for. All right, so this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments if you have any. I'll see you in the next one.